Hey, let me quickly show you 5 the best camera functions for the POCO X6 Pro. So first, we are going to start from the 64 megapixel mode. You can find it by going to the more settings, open the 64 megapixel mode, and now when you want to take the photo with the high quality, with a lot of details, use this mode. So now try to catch the focus, hold your phone steady, click on the shutter while taking the photo, and now just take a look. When I'm gonna zoom in, I can actually find a lot of details, especially when I take a look right here. I can even find some paint structure that was used to draw something on this Lego Dumbledore. Next option will be appears just right here on the right side. So that's the volume buttons, but when you click on the volume up or volume down, you can actually take the photos with the 2 seconds delay of the shutter. It works the same for the volume up and the volume down button. And when you click and hold one of this button, you can actually record short video up to the 15 seconds. But what is more useful, that you can actually customize function of these buttons by going into the settings. And from here, you can find the volume buttons function from here. And for example, you can use them as a normal shutter or as a zoom. And that's my favorite option, to use zoom on these buttons. So click and hold on the volume up and click and hold on the volume down to zoom out. As you can see, it works really smooth. That's really nice feature that we can actually use on this device. Next option will be available just by tapping on the screen, and you can move the sun icon up and down to increase or decrease brightness level manually. You can also click once to adjust this brightness automatically. Next function will be right here. When you click on this arrow and when you are in the photo mode, you can actually quickly get the timed burst. So when you turn it on, you can also customize by going right here. So now we can set the number of the photos. For example, let's say that I want to take the 10 photos, and each photo will be taken for 1 second. So now it looks like this. I'm clicking on the shutter, now I'm holding the phone, and the smartphone is automatically taking 10 seconds. So it will be useful, for example, when you are taking the group photos with your family, friends, or I don't know, other people, and you can just click on the shutter and your phone will take automatically 10 photos. Next option will be appears just right here, and that's basically the last option, the voice shutter. So now when you say cheese, the photo will be taken. So let's say cheese. There we go. The photo was taken. And that's my favorite 5 quick camera tricks for the POCO X6 Pro. If you find it useful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one.